Our state-of-the-art facility certified by ISO 9001, ISO 13485, ISO 14001, and OSHA's 18001. We provide resistive membrane switches, capacitive switches, capacitive membrane circuits, rubber switches, touchscreens, touch display modules, single-chip development service, electronics design and assembly service, total solutions to the customers in the world. We also have our own reliability testing room. Each of our manufactured product shall be 100% inspected and tested by our QC before shipment. We also perform TQM to ensure our product's quality.